Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Code Like. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's see today's problem. Maximum non-negative product in a matrix. You are given m cross n matrix grid. Initially, you are located at the top left corner. This 0 0. In each step you can only move right or down. It means we can only move from this cell to this or right. Among all the possible paths starting from the top left corner and ending at the bottom right corner, find the path with the maximum non-negative product. The product of a path is the product of all the integers in a grid cells visited along the path. Return the maximum non-negative product modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. If the maximum product is negative, return -1. Notice that the modulus perform after getting the maximum product. Okay, so in this question we are given a grid and we need to move from this cell to the top left corner to the bottom right corner. And how we can move from the right to down, right or down, and we need to find the maximum non-negative product in that path. So what we can do is while standing at each cell, we can how we can get that to that cell from the top cell or from the left cell. So if we maintain two states for each cell, which is the one state for the maximum part and other for this minimum part, we can find the state for the other cells also. Why we are maintaining two states? Because the numbers can be negative. So the smallest negative integer into a negative integer can give us the maximum result. And the maximum number into a negative integer can give us the minimum result. That's why we are maintaining these two states. So that's what we are going to do in this question. Now we will be having a vector with pairs. We are using long here because because the integers may overflow. That's why we are having this long, and we're gonna traverse from while I is less than 0 to I is less than n and j is less than m, 0, j is less than m. If I and j are equal, we're gonna simply put for the first cell top left, the minimum maximum will be the value. That's what we are doing. Then we are, for every other cell, we are initializing minimum as int max and maximum as int min. If I minus 1 is greater than 0, it means there is a top cell available. What we are gonna do is we're gonna get the minimum of that cell, that cell integer into the minimum and maximum of the above cell. If the column -1 cell L is available, we are going to find the minimum between the previous minimum and the maximum and the minimum into the grid, into the current integer. That's how we're going to fill this minimum and maximum for every cell. And in the end, we're going to find the mod, because it is written after performing operation we need to modulo it. If it is less than 0, we're going to return -1, else we're going to return this result. So time complexity will be big O of m cross n, and space complexity will be big O of m cross n, because we are using this vector v. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.